Welcome to today's sprint. This is shaping up to be another fantastic weekend. With top speeds of around 210 miles per hour heading into the overtaking opportunity of turn 13, the 2.7 miles of the Circuit Gilles Villeneuve are some of the quickest on the Formula One calendar. There are 14 corners in total, with 60% of the lap taken at full throttle, and average speeds clock in at about 130 miles per hour. Off the back of a fantastic qualifying session, it's time to see how our starting grid looks for today's sprint. George Russell will begin today's event in pole position, and Oscar Piastri completes the front row. Looking at the rest of today's grid, we have Hamilton, Norris, Carlos Sainz and Hadjar, Leclerc, Albon, Behrman and Max Verstappen, Lawson, Antonelli, Esteban Ocon and Lindblad, Colapinto, Gasly, Valtteri Bottas and Fernando Alonso, Stroll, Perez, Hülkenberg and Gabriel Bortoleto rounds off the grid. Which of these drivers will get pole position today? We'll soon find out. And alongside me for the first time this season here in the commentary box, Naomi Schiff. Hello, Gnomes. Well, they say that a change is as good as a rest, and whilst there's not much rest on show in the sprint format today, there's definitely a change to what we're usually seeing on the track. Oh, Canada. Oh, Canada. What a track this is, and what a challenge for the drivers this weekend. Long straights, heavy braking zones and a very green surface to start with.
This happens to be one of the drivers' favourites. It is a low downforce circuit that is fast and flowing, but it is also demanding on the brakes. And be careful, because let's not forget the wall of champions that catches out so many.
Okay, mate, radio check please, radio check.
Radio check.
Okay, here we go. I know what you can do, don't let me down. Okay, incredible parking there, nice one. That's going to give you the edge if you can get a good launch as the race starts. Okay, so that's the rest of the grid forming up now. Be patient and watch for those lights. Okay, overtake enabled. Okay mate, boost mode if you need it, boost mode if you need it. Turbocharger's on its last legs. Let's try to keep mileage on it to a minimum. Okay, final lap. Let's go. Final lap. P6, you got P6. Sainz ahead. Less than a second separates you. Okay, gap to leader, 4.6 seconds. Leclerc is behind you. Okay, you've just started the final lap of the race. Final lap. Good job, nice overtake. Okay, pick up rubber and bring it home.
That's what it is. We're just too slow, so it's impossible to keep them behind.